Alright, let's see, what do we got going on here? Alright, let's see if we can pull these doors off of here. No hassle, come on. No hassle, people. Get them broke. I figured they'd be a little bit tight, but you know what? Eventually, man will win. And in the butt, and that makes it work. You work for it, but you know, it happens. It happens to the best of us. But I'm glad to see these doors come off because it'll make it that much easier for me to do some more work. Now that the windows are out, the cab is stripped. Makes it that much, like I said, easier to get around things, to sand them and fix them and clean whatever rust is all around and get it all ready for primer and painting and put them back together. Hey, it seems like once you get all this heavy stuff off of here, everything else goes fairly fast. Of course it got turned backwards. Alright, I'm going to need a shorter socket, of course. It can't be that easy. Because it never is that easy. It's not supposed to be easy. It's supposed to test your wits and your sanity. Right? Am I right or wrong? Oh, gun it. Alright. Test my sanity now. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. You did not get the wrong. Really, Fernando? Got the wrong socket. And then they wonder why men go crazy. You know? Then they wonder why. Well, that's why. Because do a lot of running back and forth. When you think you got the right thing in your hand, and then you find out it's the wrong one. Alright. And yes, I do have a jack underneath the door. Alright, last one right here. like that, driver's side door is off. Here we go. Driver's side door is off. Okay. That's insane. So let's go ahead and put these in here. These are driver's side. Okay. Let's take off the other hinges. Alright, let's go ahead and get this passenger side door off here. Alright. I hope I'm doing alright in the video. Luckily, since I don't have the fender on this one, it's easier to just take off the whole thing. You know, I can get this breaker bar in there. Well, I thought I was able to, but nope. Not gonna happen because the ratchet don't fit in the slots. Well, in the little bit of space that's there. So, time to bring out the ratchet wrenches. Alright, let's see. Here it is. We'll just have to do it manually because I want this door out of here today, right now. There we go. Sometimes modern technology just doesn't want to work for you. Now, impact wrenches and stuff like that isn't modern technology, but I think you understand what I'm trying to say. Sometimes we just have to do it old school. Good old turning the wrench. That's why it's good to have certain, so many different tools, because you never know which one you're going to need. Okay, why is that doing that? Like there was a spacer or something in there. That's weird. Alright. Alright, here's where I'm going to have to hold on to the door. Okay. Alright, there it is. Let's get this door off of here. And set it aside. There we go. Got the door off. Okay, good deal. Wow. Very minimal rust. Only on the surface. Love it, love it, love it. Still got to take this door stop off of here. Let me bring you guys in closer and show you what we got going on. Alright, so we got the door taken off, and as you can see, very minimal. It's just surface rust. And man, am I happy for that, because I am not into wanting to fabricate anything. There you go. Yeah, just barely some surface rust. Looks good, looks good. So let's go over here on the driver's side and show you what we got going on. Okay, again, right here on the driver's side, it's just good old surface rust. No problem there. Got to take the door stop off, and then I still got to take this door hinge off here because I had got the fender in the way, so I couldn't take it off with the fender in there. But anyways, that's what we got for today. And started cleaning the window channel. Okay, see, started getting that all cleaned up and everything. Get all the rubber sealed out of there, and all the glue and everything else we can get out of there. Start cleaning in there, and I'm very surprised about the fact that I don't have to cut stuff out and replace it. So anyways, that's our project for today.